Hello everyone, I'm Poornima and welcome back to Amma's Healthy Recipes. Today I'm going to show you a very simple, healthy and instant breakfast recipe. This is something you can easily put together within minutes, especially if you are in a hurry or you don't have time to cook or you just want to sit back and relax and not spend much time in the kitchen. Let's go ahead and check out the recipe. You can also add a bit of jaggery if you like. I personally don't like my breakfast to be sweet, so I just didn't add any jaggery to it. This recipe was something that my mother came up with yesterday when we were in a hurry to reach some place and we hadn't prepared anything at home. It was actually very filling. Since there is no cooking involved, all you need is a bowl and mix all this up and just enjoy it. If you enjoyed watching this video, then subscribe, like, comment and share. And also press the bell icon to receive notifications once a new video is uploaded. See you soon with a new recipe. Until then, bye.